IKEA sells over 1 billion meatballs a year, and many of them at a loss on purpose. So how does a furniture store make money selling cheap food at a loss? The trick is the entire store. IKEA is enormous, 45 billion euros in sales last year, but watch what it did with that money. In 2024, it spent 2 billion euros cutting prices across 63 markets and let its own sales fall 4%, deliberately. Because IKEA doesn't win on any single product, take the food, about $2.5 billion a year and growing 8% annually. Those famous cheap meatballs and $1 hot dogs are often sold at a loss. They aren't there to earn money, they're there to keep you inside. IKEA's founder worried hungry shoppers would leave, so the cafe sits in the middle of a one-way maze. You eat, you keep walking, and you buy more. Then there's Flatpack. Flat boxes ship and store far cheaper than assembled furniture, and you provide the assembly labor for free. There's even a psychological bonus. Researchers call it the IKEA effect. When you assemble something yourself, you value it more than if it came finished. And behind it all, a clever split. One company owns the IKEA brand and design, another runs the stores and pays it royalties. The profit engine sits apart from the shop floor. IKEA's MOAT isn't cheap furniture. It's a whole afternoon you can't leave empty-handed. Next time, McDonald's, which makes more money as a landlord than a burger joint. Subscribe, and we'll see you at the next teardown.